So the third wave of the COVID crisis rising faster than anything we've seen before. That is the warning from state health officials today, who briefed us on the latest data this afternoon. Andrea Lucia gets us underway.
Hey, so Texas is experiencing a sharp rise in cases and hospitalizations, and this has been driven by the Delta variant.
Chief State Epidemiologist Dr. Jennifer Shuford shared a graph showing the current increase in hospitalizations here in blue. Compared to previous surges, the line is steeper, reflecting faster growth.
It's spreading much more rapidly among unvaccinated people than the viruses that we saw last year.
The number of COVID patients in Texas hospitals doubled in a span of 2 weeks. It now stands at over 7,800, a number we haven't seen since mid-February. In north central Texas, COVID patients occupy about 13% of all hospital beds now. 45% of those hospitalized patients are children.
So we do expect that more of these cases are going to be seen in younger individuals just because they don't have that protection from being fully vaccinated.
COVID deaths have now begun to rise as well. The vast majority of confirmed cases are among the unvaccinated. But doctors say they are also worried for the more than 2 million Texans who skipped the second of 2 doses.
Really important with the Delta variant to get your second dose.
The good news is vaccinations continue to rise. Yesterday alone, more than 75,000 Texans received a dose, the highest number in more than a month. If you're vaccinated and get sick, doctors say any symptoms that develop tend to be milder and pass far more quickly. Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.
Andrea, we thank you. And Dallas County, by the way, has officially raised their COVID-19 threat level. They moved back to red, and moving that warning level back to the highest possible point doesn't trigger any new restrictions. You should know that. But public health officials basically hope it is sending a very strong message as COVID cases continue to increase dramatically there. Hospitalizations in Dallas-Fort Worth have more than quadrupled in the last month.